Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Realtek audio drivers for Windows 11 from Realtek, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Realtek audio drivers for Windows 11, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.realtek.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Download section or tab at the top of the home page. Click on that section to proceed to the download area. Next, locate the high-definition audio codecs or a similar link related to audio drivers. Click on the relevant link to access the audio driver options. You may need to select your operating system from a drop-down menu. Ensure Windows 11 is selected to filter the drivers available for your system. After selecting the appropriate OS, find the latest version of the Realtek audio driver listed. Click on the download link next to that version. A pop-up may appear asking to confirm the download. If so, click Save File. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file, which typically has a .exe extension. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. If prompted, allow the program to make changes to your device by clicking Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation. Make sure to read any prompts carefully and select your preferences for installation. After installation is complete, you may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your computer restarts, open the sound settings to verify that your Realtek audio device is functioning properly. You have now successfully downloaded and installed Realtek audio drivers for Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.